Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Doing a little something different today. Going to be, I believe they call it resto-modding this matchbox Camino. At least I think it's Camino. Looks like a Camino. So first we start with drilling out those the rivets that hold it on. So that means power tool. Oh yeah. Take a look at it here. Just pop it apart. Oof. Yeah, this thing was definitely played with outside. Probably by me, who knows. Just sort of had it in my possession. Don't know when I got it. Just appeared. Those are a little rusty, so we'll clean those up later. It looks like the tires, all they need is a good washer. Again, now just needs a good washing, and probably have to remove a couple of things, like those, I guess that would be a roll bar on there. Looks like that was snapped off a long time ago. And the windshield though, it's actually in really good shape. No cracks, no real big scratches. Again, just some warm soapy water. It'll look like new. There's the body. I suspect it used to be a gold. I don't know, but it's chipped off and faded, so it looks more like Dijon mustard. So here we go. First we start with some paint stripping. That container contain the fumes so it can really do its work. And while that's happening, we'll clean up these axles. Just a little sandpaper, little rubbing sandpaper should clean them up nice. Well, now they're all stripped of paint, so we can take a look at what we're really working with here. For the most part, it's in good shape. It's a bit dirty and there's some mild oxidization, but a little sanding and polishing will get rid of it. The base is actually pretty good too. Almost perfect. For something that looked like it had been played outside or even left outside, it's in great shape. No zinc patch to be seen. So yeah, we're just gonna sand it. Make it nice and shiny. Now, on to the paint booth. Or backyard. Whatever. And the base, the silver or whatever it was, aluminum, metal, whatever. And the body will be red. Sexy red. Alright, time for assembly. Everything's painted, cleaned, ready to rock and roll. Start by putting the windshield in. Get that nestled in right. Followed by the interior, which holds in the windshield. And the wheels. And the base. Looks good. Some paint smudges, but it's a Camaro, they get beat up. Didn't have any screws small enough or a drill bit small enough to make a hole for screws. So, do a little sacrilege in the matchbox restoration world community by using super glue. Keep the base on. Whatever. It's my car, I'll do what I want with it. Here we are, what we started with. And the final product. Looks good. Thank you for watching this episode of the Peej's Workshop. That's all for me for now. See ya!